All right, welcome back, Light Up Literature family. This video is on 7th grade comma usage, and we're focusing on compound sentences. So a compound sentence is two independent clauses, or one way to look at it, two complete sentences joined by a comma and conjunction. Now, there are other ways to combine compound sentences, but since we're working on commas, this is what we're going to focus on. So here's our formula. You're going to have your sentence. Where the period would go in the first sentence, you're going to replace it with a comma. You're going to add the correct fanboy, which is your coordinating conjunction, and then your second sentence, and then your end punctuation. So let's take a look at this. Our fanboys, for and nor, but, or, yet, so. So they call it fanboys. There are a lot of catchy little songs that conjunction, junction, what's your function? Not a rendition of my own, but it's out there. All right, example. I wanted ice cream, comma, but the shop was closed. So I wanted ice cream. If that's its own sentence, we would just put a period there. But see how we have our comma replaced? Now, this is a cause and effect relationship, so we're using the conjunction but. The shop was closed, period. So that is how we are going to combine two independent clauses or two independent sentences into one using a comma and conjunction. So she studied hard, comma, so she passed the test. Another cause and effect relationship. He wanted to play outside, comma, but it started to rain. Now, if we forget to add our comma, what we end up having is a run-on sentence. So she studied hard, so she passed the test. We don't want that. We're missing that comma in our so, our conjunction. He wanted to play outside, but it started to rain. When we run it all together, it does, when we read it without our comma, our pause, it doesn't make as much sense. All right. Here's an incorrect sentence. She likes to read and play soccer. All right. So we don't actually need a comma in this one because there's no second subject. The key is to identify whether you need a conjunction, comma and conjunction. If after the conjunction, you can't just say that part and it's not a complete sentence, then we don't need our comma. So if I can't walk up to you and say, play soccer and not look a little crazy, you're not going to use that comma. She likes to read and play soccer. That's the way we're going to do it. She likes to read and play soccer. All right. Find the missing comma. Which one of these is correct? You can pause it, look at it, and then check your answer. Very good. I want to go swimming, comma, but it's too cold. Yeah, swimming in the cold, not super awesome. I'm with you. All right, now let's do some practice. Fix the incorrect sentences or identify if they're correct. Pause your video, do your practice, and then I'll see you on the other side. All right. I love pizza, comma, but I hate mushrooms. We were missing our comma. Number 2, she was late, comma, so she missed the bus. We were missing our comma. We went to the beach and played in the sand. Excellent job. We don't have a second subject. We're sharing the subject we. So we don't have a comma. So excellent, excellent job. All right. Final challenge. Write 3 compound sentences using your fanboys and the correct commas. Here's an example. Last example. I was tired, comma, yet I kept reading my book. All right. If you are needing more practice, go ahead and jump into your course curriculum. If you're not part of the Light Up Literature family, go to Light Up Literature and check it out. Until next time, stay healthy, safe, and happy. Bye.